Hello students, today's topic is one-dimensional elastic collision and special cases. Let us consider two bodies of masses m1 and m2. They having initial velocities u1 and u2. This is during collision. After collision, their velocities are v1 and v2. Already you know that in elastic collision, linear momentum and kinetic energy are conserved. So, according to law of conservation of linear momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Consider this as equation number 1. Next, according to law of conservation of kinetic energy, according to law of conservation of kinetic energy, the expression is half m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square is equals to half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square. This is equation number 2. Next, from equation 1 and equation 2, we are writing m1 u1 minus m1 v1 is equals to m2 v2 minus m2 u2. So in this, which is common? m1 is common. Take m1 common, u1 minus v1 is equals to, here taking m2 as common, v2 minus u2. Consider this as equation number 3. Next, from second equation, we are writing half m1 u1 square minus half m1 v1 square is equals to half m2 v2 square minus half m2 u2 square. Here also half we can take it as common, and here also half we can take it as a common, and entire this LHS and RHS we are cancelling half, and then the remaining equation is m1 of u1 square minus v1 square is equals to m2 of v2 square minus u2 square. Consider this equation as 4. Okay. Next. Now equation 4 by equation 3. What we are doing now? Equation 4 by equation 3. What is equation 4? m1 of u1 square minus v1 square by, in this third equation, m1 of u1 minus v1. That is equals to, here in the equation 4, m2 of v2 square minus u2 square by, in the third equation, m2 of v2 minus u2. Now we are cancelling m1, m1, and here also m1, m2, m1, m1 cancel, m2, m2 cancel. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. Now we are writing u1 minus v1 a minus b into a plus b by this as it is u1 minus v1. That is equals to, here also same, it is in the form of a square minus b square. v2 minus u2 a minus b into a plus b as it is v2 minus u2. Now here also u1 minus v1 and here the same terms are cancelling each other. Then the remaining equation is u1 plus v1 is equals to v2 plus u2. This is equation number 5. In this equation 5, u1 plus v1 is equals to v2 plus u2. From this equation, we are writing u1 minus u2 is equals to v2 minus v1. This is the equation velocity of approaching before collision is equals to velocity of separation after collision. This is equation number 6. So here u1 minus u2 is equal to v2 minus v1. From equation 6, we are writing the expression for v1 and v2. What is v1? u1 minus u2 minus v2 is equals to v1. After such, next v2 is equals to u1 minus u2 plus v1 is equals to v2. These two are the final velocities of first body and second bodies after collision. Now we are substituting these v1 and v2 values in equation 1. We get v1 is equals to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 of u1 plus 2m2 by m1 plus m2 of u2. Next, after substituting the value of v1 in equation 1, we get V2 is equals to 2m1 by m1 plus m2 of u1 plus m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 of u2. These are the final velocities after collision. V1 indicates first body, V2 indicates second body. Now, special cases. Special cases. Please remember these two formulas, V1 and V2. First case, if M1 is equals to M2, then what is V1 and what is V2? Now we are writing. See here, in the above expression, if M1 is equals to M2, see here, M1 is equals to M2, the entire term is 0. Then what is V1? Here 2m, here m and m. See here 2m by 2m of u2. 2m cancel. So V1 is equals to u2. And next, what is V2? The same thing. Substitute in this, m1 is equals to m2. Then here m plus m. 2m cancel. Here entire term is 0. m2 m, m1 also m minus m 0. So V2 is equals to u1. So from this, V1 is equals to u2, V2 is equals to u1. Next, second case. What is the second case? If m1 is greater than m2, then m2 is equals to 0. Then what is the value of V1 and V2? Now we are writing the value of V1. M2 is equals to 0. Here substituting M2 is equal to 0. Here M1 by M1 of U1 plus, here what is this? M2 is equal to 0. The entire term is 0. M1 cancel. So what is V1 value? V1 is equals to U1. Next, what is V2? Our condition is M2 is equal to 0. Here we have to write in the place of M1 0 of U1 plus 0 minus M1 by M1 U2. See here, 2M1 by M1 of U1 plus minus M1 by M1 into U2. Here M1 cancel. Now we are writing expression for V2. 2M1 by M1 plus 0. 0, why you are writing 0 in the place of M2? Our condition is M2 is equal to 0. And next, 0 minus M1 by M1 plus 0 of U2. Next, see here 2M1 by M1 plus 0 M1. And here 0 minus M1 minus M1. M1 plus 0 M1. M1 cancel each other here also. And expression for V2 is 2U1 minus u2. Here u2 is equals to 0. Then our expression is v2 is equal to 2u1. What is v1? v1 is equal to u1 and v2 is equals to 2u1. Next, third case. What is the third case? If m2 is greater than m1, then m1 is equal to 0. Substitute m1 is equal to 0 in v1 equation. What is m1? 0. 0 minus m2 minus m2 by m1 is equal to 0. m2 of u1 plus 2m2. What is m1 value? 0. Here 2m2, here also m2 into u2. Here m2 m2 cancel and here also cancel. The expression for v1 is minus u1 plus 2u2. If u2 is equal to 0, if u2 is equals to 0, then what is expression for v1? v1 is equals to minus u1. After this, we are calculating v2 value. This is also third case continuation. Now we are finding v2. First, what is the m1 value? 0. Substituting m1 is equal to 0 in this equation. This is entire term is 0 and this m2 minus 0 by 0 plus m2 of u2. Then this becomes m2 by m2 of u2. Then what is expression for v2? m2 m2 cancel. v2 is equals to u2. The last case is here in this fourth case. Next, last case, that is in the fourth case. Here, if u2 is equal to 0, then what is v1 and what is v2? We are calculating now. u2 is equal to 0 means the entire term is 0. Now what is v1? v1 is equals to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 of u1. Next, substituting u2 is equal to 0 in this, what is v2? Now we are finding v2 value. If u2 is equal to 0, the entire term is equal to 0. Then v2 is equals to 2m1 by m1 plus m2 into u1. These are the final velocities of two bodies after collision when u2 is equal to 0.